Hey there, everybody. Welcome. My name is Kevin Burke, and here's my email address. Here's my telephone number. Why is that going to be important to you today? Well, there's a number of reasons. Here's a whole bunch of designations, things like that. I'm a broker in several states. I have a broker's license in several states. Our discussion today is not intended as a substitute for legal advice. Please consult with your attorney broker. Coffee with Kevin every Wednesday. We have Coffee with Kevin at 4:30 and 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time every Wednesday. Our special guest today is me. I'm actually going to talk about what forms do you, as the real estate agent, need at your open house, right? What do you need to be taking to that open house? I get a lot of calls on this, and there's a lot of stuff written about it, but I'm going to tell you, I've got some really good ideas for you in the post Sitzer-Burnett era. So Sitzer-Burnett was the big decision that changed the way we do business as of August 17th of last year. And so, what do you need to do? And that's what we're here to do today. So, because I'd rather teach risk management than damage control. And so, then again, I've got an email that goes out once a week. That's it. If I make the mistake, I blow it. Sorry about that. I won't do it again. But you gotta, it's an opt-in only. So please send me an email, get you in there. There's my contact information again. I want to thank you very much for listening to me today, and I look forward to seeing you today at 4:30 Pacific Standard Time. Thank you, everybody. And again, I hope you have a great day today. Take care for now.